So Brazil spans from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south, and from 73 degree 45 minutes west to 36 degree 48 minutes west. See children, Brazil expands from, it is the country which lies in northern hemisphere as well as southern hemisphere, and already you know it lies in western hemisphere. So its expansion is more, it covered in northern as well as western. So here direction, so neighboring countries you write down in your book: north Colombia, neighboring countries Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana, and the oceans in North Atlantic Ocean. See, all these things you are supposed to pay very much attention, the neighboring countries and the ocean. So be very careful while showing in your map. Western part, the neighboring countries are Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay. Southern part, Argentina, Uruguay, East, South Atlantic Ocean. Next slide. Now we are supposed to know about India's and Brazil's historical background. So children, our historical background is very much glorious. The Republic of India is a federation of states with separate government. Federation of states means here you can see so many states comprises our country, and every states they are having their own chief minister which are governing their own states, and all are answerable to our prime minister. This already you know because you are studying civics so many years. So governing our country, what is the pattern to govern our country, democratic pattern, and how it is, how our prime minister, president, they rule over our country, they look after our country, already you know very well. Measuring 1/3 of size of Europe with a very long dramatic cultural history. The official name of the country is Bharat or Bharatvarsha, which comes from Sanskrit. Its giant rivers, the Indus, the Ganges, or you can say Ganga, which were crucial to the development of the earliest culture for transportation, irrigation, and agriculture productivity. India was under British rule for 1.5 century. It got independence in the year 1947. See, already you have studied about our freedom struggle. We struggled so many years to get our freedom, and with the sacrifice of so many people, and this freedom we should preserve it, and independence for our country was very much important, because for that so many people they sacrificed their life. 1947, 15th August 1947 was the year when we got freedom from British rule. Despite facing several problems like 3 wars, famine in various parts, similar issues after independence, India is a major developing country and the global market in the world. As a proportion of youth, population is high in India, which forms a major part of working population. India is looked upon as a young country. See, global market in the world, that means now already you know that we are very much developing on the basis of economic development. I can say economic development is very much there in our country, and India is making its place in global market. With the help of foreign investors, they are very much interested to have investment in our country. I will explain you in your economic portion. And youth population, if you have studied population chapter in your 8th standard or 9th standard, you must have known that the graph of our population growth comprises more percentage of youth population. That means productivity of our country is more, because already we are developing countries. So it is very much good notation that India is progressing. Now see to Brazil. Now we'll see about Brazil historical background. Brazil was officially discovered in 1500 when a fleet commanded by Portuguese diplomat Pedro Alvares Cabral on its way to India. Landed in Porto Seguro between Salvador and Rio de Janeiro. More than 3 centuries, Brazil was under Portuguese rule. So, likewise, our country was also under British rule. It gained independence in 1947, and before so many years, they got freedom. Means 1822, Brazil got independence. And see, after so many years, we got independence. So that means they got independence earlier than our country. From 1930 to 1985, for more than half century, it was under a populist military government. Military government, you know that they were government under military rule. It overcame global financial difficulties in late 20th century and now regarded as a contributor to the world economic growth and an important future market. See, also they are developing because Brazil, it is the country where it is full of resources. And you know, children, Brazil is another country which provide maximum percentage of oxygen to all over the world. And because of its evergreen forest, so many species for the medicine and other things which they providing to all over the world. And also their contribution to economic growth is immense because of their fine places and very much beautiful places they are contributing to world in the term of tourism, you can say. And it is another very good thing that it is an important place for future market, likewise India.